We are going to break down this effect that I saw of Sunny V2, and it goes like this.
It would eventually undermine everything she built.
Before we begin this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down what you want me to break down. Almost at 300 subscribers. First, I'm going to use Grok image generator to generate the image we are going to use. So this is what I'm going to type into, or this is what the prompt I'm going to use. So you can follow along what I use or what I type, or you can add your text to it. So when you get what you want, then you hit enter for it to generate the image. So it's going to generate 4 images. So out of the 4, we can just choose one. So I'm going to choose the image on the left, I think. Okay, I think this image will do the job. So I'm going to save this image, then I'll upload it to this remove.bg. Then I'm going to upscale the image. So I'll just select my image, then go to open, then I'll upscale it. So you can use or download the software. So this is what I would like to replicate. So this is what you get. So now after that, you can open your After Effects, then make a composition, then type what you saw. I would like to change the aspect ratio to 1920 by 1080. And when you're done, you hit OK and change the duration to 10 seconds is okay. So now I'm going to drag the image that you have created or generated into a composition like this, then center align it vertically and horizontally. Then I'll hit S for scale, then I'll scale it up. So when you are done with the scaling, I'm going to add the green screen video or video to it. Then I'm going to add a key light. So your effects preset, type key light and use the pick color to pick the green screen. So now you can see that it becomes like this. In order to remove what you see, we're going to use the pick color and select this part of the green screen. Now you can see that there's no shadow or any other different color on it. So I'm going to rotate it like this. Then when you're done, I'm going to mount it like this. So and click on here to track matte. So when you have done this, what you're going to get. Now I would like to add another green screen video, that is the sound like this. So I'll just choose, I got the video from YouTube, so so I'm going to choose or select where I need inside the video. I couldn't get the exact footage they used, so this was I'm going to use. This is just for tutorial purposes, so in case you have the footage, you can do this. I'm going to also add a key light to this video. So in your effects preset, type key light, then I'm going to use the pick color, then select the green color. So I'll get this. Then I'm going to make change the blending mode. So in order to change the blending mode, I'll click on the normal, then I'll look for add, then select the add. So I'll scroll up like this. So now that I've gotten the add, now I'll just have to move the image below because I don't want the sound to show. So now I'll choose where I need or where I want the sound to pop out, then I'll delete it and bring it back. So I just split by hitting Ctrl+Shift+D. So this is what I'm going to use. So when you're done, the next thing we're going to do is add, we can leave it like this, but I'm going to add a background to show you guys something. So when I go back, you can see that the vein becomes white, and even if we change the color, so let me add a fill. In your effects and presets, you can type fill, or you can go to Ctrl+Shift+Y and change the color to red like this, and you hit OK. You can see that it becomes red. And so right now what we have to do is change or remove the black, the red thing, and make it black. So I added the vignette just to add a kind of cinematic feel, so it is not compose you. So right now what I'm going to do, or in order to remove the red vein from it, this is what I'm going to do. So first I'll go to my face and presets, then I'm going to type drop shadow for the image. So for the lady, I'm going to my face and preset, then I'm going to type drop shadow. So when I type drop shadow, I can, or just follow the value I use, so that it gives you that kind of 3D look. So now what we have to do now is to duplicate what we have here, that is this image. So when we duplicate the image, I'm going to this image, I'm going to delete the drop shadow. Then I'm going to delete the drop shadow for this one too, because I'll add a drop shadow after everything. I'm sorry, so don't add a drop shadow yet. Then I'm going to click here. So when you click there, you can see that it becomes black. There's no see-through, but at the same time you can see kind of a hint or a tint of red in the vein. So in order to remove that one too, is what we're going to do. I'll go to no matte, and this is what you get. So now I'm going to add it. I made it a pre-comp, and now I'm going to add my drop shadow to it. So this is the name I'm going to use. Then add a drop shadow to your PNG. So when you add a drop shadow to the PNG, just follow what I use, and you can see that this is what you're going to get. Alright, so after your drop shadow, you can leave it like this, and I guess this is the end of it. I know that it's a short tutorial. We're almost at 300 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment down below. And also those who have sent me a comment and sent me mails of tutorial breakdowns, I've already done them, so I'm yet to upload them. So make sure you stay tuned, and peace.